The Toyota Tundra has always been known for durability, and when Toyota introduced the hybrid version, expectations went even higher. This wasn't just another truck with better fuel economy. It was marketed as a smarter, more advanced version of an already trusted platform, combining traditional truck strength with modern hybrid technology. For many buyers, that combination sounded perfect. You get power, efficiency, and the reliability Toyota is famous for, all in one package. But as more of these hybrid trucks have accumulated miles in real-world conditions, a specific concern has started to surface among owners, and it's not something most people think about when they first buy a hybrid truck. The issue revolves around the hybrid battery system, specifically how it performs over time under heavy use, heat, and demanding driving conditions. Hybrid systems are designed to be efficient and long-lasting, but they also rely on complex battery management systems that regulate temperature, charging cycles, and overall performance. In the Tundra Hybrid, this system is working harder than in a typical hybrid sedan because of the truck's size, weight, and the kind of work it's expected to do. Towing, hauling, stop-and-go traffic, and long drives in hot climates all place additional stress on the battery system, and over time, some owners have begun noticing changes that raise concerns about long-term durability. One of the first signs reported by drivers is a gradual decrease in how often the electric motor assists the engine. In a healthy hybrid system, the electric motor should engage smoothly and frequently, helping improve fuel efficiency and reduce engine load. But some owners have observed that the system relies more heavily on the gasoline engine as mileage increases, especially in warmer conditions. This doesn't immediately indicate failure, but it can signal that the battery is not performing at its original capacity. When a hybrid battery begins to degrade, it may not store or deliver energy as efficiently, which changes how the entire system behaves. Another issue that has been discussed involves temperature management. Hybrid batteries generate heat during charging and discharging, and controlling that heat is critical for long-term health. In the Tundra Hybrid, the battery cooling system must work consistently to keep temperatures within a safe range. However, under heavy use or in high-temperature environments, the system can be pushed to its limits. When that happens, the vehicle may reduce electric assist to protect the battery, which again shifts more load onto the engine and can affect overall performance and efficiency. Over time, repeated exposure to high temperatures can accelerate battery degradation, which is where the real cost concerns begin. The financial side of this issue is what makes it stand out. Hybrid batteries are not cheap components. While they are designed to last many years, replacing one outside of warranty can be a significant expense. For a truck like the Tundra Hybrid, the cost of a full battery replacement can reach several $1,000s depending on parts and labor. This is not a routine maintenance item, and it's not something most buyers factor into the total cost of ownership when they first purchase the vehicle. That's why even the possibility of early degradation becomes a concern for long-term owners. It's important to clarify that not every Tundra Hybrid will experience severe battery issues. Many trucks continue to operate normally without noticeable problems, and Toyota's hybrid systems have a strong track record overall. But what's happening here is a pattern of conditions where certain usage scenarios increase the likelihood of accelerated wear. Heavy towing, frequent short trips where the battery cycles constantly, and driving in hot climates all contribute to higher stress on the system. When these factors combine, they can create an environment where the battery ages faster than expected. There are also software and calibration factors that influence how the hybrid system behaves. The vehicle's control systems determine when to use electric power, how aggressively to charge the battery, and how to manage temperature. In some cases, updates or recalibrations can improve system efficiency and reduce unnecessary strain on the battery. However, not all owners are aware of these updates, and not all vehicles receive them automatically. This creates variation in how different trucks perform over time, even if they are mechanically identical. Now, the key question becomes how to manage and reduce the risk of this problem. The first step is understanding how hybrid systems operate under different conditions. Unlike traditional engines, hybrid systems are sensitive to temperature and charging patterns. Avoiding extreme heat buildup is one of the most effective ways to protect the battery. This can be as simple as parking in shaded areas, using garages when possible, and avoiding prolonged idling in high temperatures where the cooling system has to work harder. Driving habits also play a significant role. Smooth acceleration and consistent driving patterns help reduce unnecessary battery cycling, which in turn reduces wear. Aggressive driving, rapid acceleration, and heavy towing place additional demands on both the engine and the battery, increasing heat and stress. While the Tundra Hybrid is designed to handle these conditions, consistently pushing the system to its limits will naturally accelerate wear over time. Balancing performance with efficiency can extend the life of the battery and improve overall reliability. Regular maintenance is another critical factor. While hybrid batteries themselves do not require traditional maintenance, the systems that support them do. Cooling systems, filters, and software updates all contribute to the health of the battery. Ensuring that these components are functioning correctly can prevent small issues from turning into larger problems. For example, a clogged cooling vent or a malfunctioning fan can lead to higher battery temperatures, which directly impacts longevity. Monitoring the vehicle's behavior is equally important. Changes in fuel efficiency, reduced electric assist, or unusual system responses can all be early indicators that the battery is not performing as expected. Addressing these signs early allows for diagnostic checks and potential adjustments before the issue becomes more serious. Modern vehicles provide a significant amount of data, and paying attention to that information can make a difference in long-term ownership outcomes. For buyers considering a Tundra Hybrid, awareness is the most valuable tool. Understanding how the system works and what factors influence its performance allows for better decision-making. It's not about avoiding the vehicle, but about knowing how to get the most out of it while minimizing potential risks. Hybrid technology offers clear advantages in efficiency and performance, but it also requires a slightly different approach to ownership compared to traditional trucks. From a broader perspective, this situation reflects the ongoing transition in the automotive industry toward more complex and efficient systems. As manufacturers integrate hybrid and electric technologies into larger vehicles, they face new challenges related to durability and long-term performance. The Tundra Hybrid represents a step forward in this evolution, but it also highlights the importance of adapting maintenance and usage habits to match the technology. Toyota has a history of refining its systems over time, and newer models often benefit from improvements based on real-world data. As more information becomes available, adjustments in design, software, and cooling systems can address some of the concerns seen in earlier versions. This iterative approach is common in modern vehicle development and plays a key role in improving reliability across future model years. For current owners, the focus should remain on proactive care and informed usage. By managing heat, maintaining supporting systems, and paying attention to changes in performance, it's possible to reduce the likelihood of costly issues and extend the life of the hybrid battery. These steps are not complicated, but they require awareness and consistency, which are often overlooked when a vehicle is perceived as completely worry-free. In the end, the Toyota Tundra Hybrid remains a powerful and capable truck that delivers on many of its promises. The combination of performance and efficiency makes it an attractive option for a wide range of drivers. But like any advanced system, it comes with factors that need to be understood and managed. The battery issue is not a guaranteed failure, but it is a real consideration that highlights the importance of adapting to modern automotive technology. And that's the reality of owning a hybrid truck today. It's not just about driving and refueling anymore. It's about understanding how different systems interact, how conditions affect performance, and how small decisions can influence long-term costs. For those who take the time to learn and adjust, the Tundra Hybrid can still deliver a strong and reliable ownership experience. But for those who ignore the details, what starts as a hidden issue can eventually turn into a very expensive lesson.